We see Doge is pumping and Bitcoin is pumping. Is this a fake trap or is this a real huge pump which we will see here, bratans? We will speak here about Dogecoin because it's heavily pumping. You see, today we have a pump of over 15%. You see here, and also we see Bitcoin is pumping. We will speak also about Bitcoin. What is happening here, blood? This is not Bitcoin. Here we see Bitcoin is pumping. We will speak about this because we are still broken out of this descending broadening wedge, and technical price tag is 26k. And we will speak about the Fed meeting tomorrow. Tomorrow is a very important day, so this is the 3 points which we will speak about it. So I wrap it up because I don't want that to lose and use your time, because I know you use your time on jerking, bratan. So let's us quickly speak about it. So yesterday we broke out of this falling wedge, and I told you that here it was a long opportunity, but then when we again broke inside of it, I told you as soon as we break this red line, this would be a long opportunity. So if you took here this long, you made here at least 1.3% profit, 10x average 30%, 20x average 26%. Congratulations to everyone. But I told you also, if we're breaking here, I zoom in, zoom out. If we break this yellow line to the downside, you see here it's a big resistance. Here support. Then it's huge short opportunity. Why? Why? Because it's very clear in my opinion. Wait a minute, I have to extend this line because, oh wait a minute, I think I extended a little bit wrong. I think, yeah, it was like this. If we break this yellow line to the downside, then I see Bitcoin reaching 18,800 easily, and this could be a big short opportunity. So this is still a big short opportunity. So if we are breaking here 20,000, let's say 20,300 with a clear 50-minute candle, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins, right? Technical price target would be here around 18,800, 7.5% short opportunity, 75%, 20x average, over 150% short opportunity if we're breaking this white line to the downside. And yes, 18,800 is technical price target, but in the big picture on the daily, it's not very bearish, because you see we could even reach 18,500 and would be okay as long as we are not breaking inside of this descending broadening wedge. Because yes, we could have here we could have here a retest of this line at 18,500 and then see a back pump to the upside. So this would be okay, very healthy, and this would be, in my opinion, not a big deal, because the technical price tag of around 26k would be still possible as long as we're not breaking into this descending broadening wedge. So let's zoom right now a little bit in, and yes, in my opinion, right now I wouldn't long right now. So take profits if you are in a long right now. Why? Because tomorrow is the Fed meeting, right? And as the Fed meeting, when the Fed meeting is, the people expecting that they will rate the interest rates by 0.75%, right? 75 basis points, or 0.75%. If they increasing by 0.75%, then I'm expecting the market to pump, because it's already priced in. This is the expectation of the market. If they will increase less, then we'll see even a huger pump. If they will increase by 1%, right? But so by 1 basis point, by 100 basis points, 1%, then we will see huge dump in the market. So therefore, I'm standing right now on the sidelines and waiting the Fed meeting tomorrow. So this is what I'm doing. Please do your own research, bratans. However, if I see today a breakdown down below our yellow line, wait a minute, maybe I make this red line back a little bit so it's not confusing. So if we break this yellow line to downside, so around 20,300, I will open a big short, because then the technical price, like I told you, is 18,800 approximately. Obviously, I will take profits along the way down. Long, I wouldn't jump right now into a long, in my opinion. Obviously, I mean, if you're breaking here 20,750, this could be a long opportunity. If we break 20,750, then our technical price tag is very clear, 21k. It's 1.2%. The next price tag would be around 21,500, 3.5%. Tax average 35, 20 average 70%, right? So this is what I'm watching right now. I standing on the sideline. If we are breaking today 20,750 with a clear 50-minute candle, I jumping into a long. If we're breaking 20,300, I jumping into a short, but I standing right now on the sideline because I expecting here to have some consolidation the next hours until the Fed meeting tomorrow, because everyone is waiting. Will they rate the interest rate? Will they hike the interest rates by 0.75%? Then we will see a pump because it's expected, it's priced in the market. Will it be higher, 1%? Then we will see huge dump in the market. This will be huge short opportunity. So very clear in my opinion, Bratan. By the way, if you also want to trade on BitGet or Bybit, where we are trading it, on BitGet you get $10,000 price pool and you can get 50 USDT free after first trade. So you do one trade and you get 50 USD absolutely for free on BitGet, and on Bybit you get right now $4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. And the good thing is, if you don't match any of these requirements, if you're trading through my affiliate link, you get still absolutely free access to my Discord Telegram channel if you're trading through my affiliate link, because it's a win-win situation for us both, right? So by the way, why Dogecoin? Let's speak about Dogecoin. Dogecoin pumped because 2 hours ago Elon Musk showed here this Doge, right? And therefore the market reacted and we saw a huge pump in the market. Let us quickly watch on Dogecoin right now, and where are here the price targets on the big picture. Because if we are watching right now, we saw a pump, and yes, this pump was only because of this Twitter post. I wouldn't right now jump into a long position on a Dogecoin because we are heavily overbought on the 1 hourly, we are heavily overbought on the 50-minute, we are heavily bought on the 4 hourly. So it's more like a short opportunity than long opportunity. And by the way, you can also trade Dogecoin on BitGet, link is down below, and also on Bybit. Be very careful because it's very volatile. So I wouldn't long or long right now Dogecoin because we are heavily overbought on the big picture. However, it all depends on Elon Musk, obviously, of his trade. It's morning, sorry for that, bratans. It depends all on his tweets. We could go as far as to 20 cent easily, you see, because it's Fibonacci 1.618. It's one of the most important. We could see in the next days, it depends how and what Elon Musk is posting about Dogecoin, we could see easily see another pump of 38% to 20 cent Dogecoin. However, I would be very careful because right now we heavily overbought. He just made a post, so I expecting here to see dump. So right now in this moment, it's more a short opportunity. In the next days and weeks, watch what Elon Musk is posting, and we could easily go to 20 cent. Depends what he's posting about Dogecoin, because this is what he told us. He want to build in Dogecoin in the ecosystem of Twitter, or as a payment system in Twitter. In the really big picture on Dogecoin, if I putting out the Fibonacci here, then we see that Dogecoin could, in the big picture, easily in the bull run go to $1.20 and even to $2. So this could easily happen in the next bull run. So as a long-term investment, it's amazing. As a long-term investment, it's amazing. So this is this could be a profits of 1,000% as a long-term investment. You see, a long-term investment doesn't count if Dogecoin is at 20 cent or 10 cent right now. As long-term investment, this is very huge. And I also trusting in Dogecoin as long as Elon Musk is trusting in Dogecoin, obviously, right? Because he want, like I told you, to implement it in Twitter as a payment, as a payment currency, right? So therefore, this is the big picture on Dogecoin. I'm also holding a lot of Dogecoin, which I bought, I think, at 20 cent. I still holding it, and I will also buy more as the price cool down. Right now, it's not a long opportunity on Dogecoin. It's more a short opportunity because already pumped. This, in my opinion. Please do your own research, bratans. And much more important is right now to watch Bitcoin, in my opinion. If Bitcoin pumping, altcoins pumping. If Bitcoin dumping, altcoins dumping. A very clear entry position for Bitcoin and a very clear long or short opportunity for Bitcoin. I told you right now. If you forgot it, watch the video from the start. If you have any question, write me down below. And yes, brothers, I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.